Oh guys, this is a heat pump box dryer, and here is two sides of the cards and trays made of stainless steel and with 5mm mesh. And here's the box dryer. Over here is the heat pump. Later I'll show you. So this is the gate. Okay, so we can open the door, and now we can see the inside of the box dryer. So this is the inside of the box dryer. There's two rooms where we can feed our cards and trays, and here's the lights, and we have an integrated floor. So this complete room. This is the thermal layer wall, and here's some blowers, which used to circulating the heat inside the drying box. Okay, and here this mesh we didn't fix it on. Okay. So here's the another room, and this is isolated from here, and we have a room over here we can place our cards and trays. And over here I show you the back of the dryer so we can see this is the heat pump. It's integrated. This is the heat pump. And here's the control box with the touch screen. And this is the inside of the control box. You can see all the electric components we use. Schneider. And that's the PLC and the spare sensors. Okay, and the Meanwell power supply. It's a very famous brand in China. And here is the Sino remote for the touch screen. And let's go back. Okay, so that's a part of the heat pump integrated into the box. So it's very suitable for different kinds of vegetables and fruits.